I'm going to be making cat toys today, and they're going to be in the shape of stockings, just like these ones. These ones are all finished, and at the end of the video I'll show you my cat playing with them, so you can, you know, see what it's like. So I'm going to try and do it really quickly, in one take. Right, so what we've got, front side to front side, and then on, this is going to end up on the inside. This is basically, you know, ladies bra, you know, you should know, bra fabric, you know, for padded bras. So I've drawn my pattern out on there, and I'm just going to follow it. I'm going to leave that bit open. So let's get sewing. Right, here we go. So just follow that line all the way around. That's that. Pins out. Doink. Now I'm going to trim it all off. I'm just doing it quite close, yeah. Give it maybe a few millimetres or something. So trim around all the edge, and I'll trim across the top edge as well, so we get rid of all that. Right, so I've got there, and I'm going to trim across that line there. There we go. Right, we're going to turn it right side round now. If you can get hold of that bit. Come on, there we go. Right, so push it through. There we go, so part way made. Get a big teaspoon of catnip, chuck that inside so it's all loose around there and it'll be smelling lovely for the cat. I've got this lovely textured white fabric that I've had for years, and using it up again. I always like to try and use up stuff I've had for a while. Wrap it around there, and I'm going to stitch about 5mm away from where the edge is, because you've got that little bit around there as well, so that gives a little bit extra width. So I'll start that off there. Doink. There you go. Snip off the excess and the thread. Now I'm going to open it up, open up the seam. Okay. And that's folded like that. Okay. So I'm going to put that seam on the back bit there. First of all, yeah, missing a stage here. Trying to do it too quick. Right. I'll just, when I'm doing them, I'll be doing like about 30 of them at a time. So I'll do each stage and then go on to the next stage. So this I would have had one after another after another. Right. Right, so there we go. So we're in there now. So we'll shove that in. Get that seam against that seam. Make sure all the levels are right. Yep, that's looking good. If you can see it like that. Yep. Now I'm going to stitch through the whole lot. Hand cranking it a little bit because it's a little bit of thickness on that bit, and I don't want to break the needle. That's it. There we go, that's done. Doink. Threads off. And I'm going to neaten off this edge. Pull it up. Get rid of any loose bits of fibre. Now I'm going to stitch it that side of the foot is a bit narrower, so I'm going to do it this way around. So I'm going to put a little row of stitch in, if you can see, like I've done on these ones. Yeah. So I'm doing about less than a centimetre away from each side. I don't know if you can see that. So I've not gone all the way to the edge because that'll make it just wouldn't make it look right to me personally. Push that across there. There we go. So that's done. Get rid of all the stray threads. There, so it's your little catnip toy. You can feel all the catnip waggling around there. My Izzy cat really loves it as well, so I'm just going to show you Izzy playing with it now. Okay, bye.